If we can address the inflammation and get the mitochondrial process turned back on, we can slow, if not, kind of reverse some of the normal aging process.
But we also talked about the connective tissue, didn't we?
Right.
And connective tissue is collagen and elastin. And aesthetics, we see that in the skin, so we want the lines and the wrinkles, we want the prettiness about it. But beyond the skin, you've got that collagen and elastin in the deeper layers, the structure, and you have it in the fascia, in our tissues and the muscles. And I like the fact that you said that the nitric oxide comes out of the parking lot and you get this vasodilatation, this flush that moves all the lymphatics, it gets it functioning. So you get this lymphatic clearance, so you get the bugs and the bacteria flowing away, and the blockedness, the staticness goes away. You get this flush of new oxygen, this flush of new blood, flush of new nutrients, just kind of perfusing through everything. And I mentioned to you, Denise, when I have my Celluma Deluxe or my Pro, after about 7-8 minutes, I feel like something has just gone, and my body has just gone whoosh. And that must be it.
Well, yeah, and I think people will go, my Celluma is sunburning me, and it's like, no. Your skin's getting flushed because all the microvasculature close to the surface of the skin is opening up for the first time in a long time, and you're actually getting blood into it, and it's like the flushness you get after you work out. And so I was going to say, arguably, aging can be defined as the degradation of the mitochondrial process, which creates the environment for inflammation, which then becomes sort of a vicious cycle.
Yes.
So if we can break that cycle, if we can address the inflammation and get the mitochondrial process turned back on, we can slow, if not, kind of reverse some of the normal aging process.
And we've seen that.
Yes.
We measure and track it with our Visia and Vectra devices in the clinic, and we've seen that with the hair metrics for the scalp. And we've certainly seen a significant reduction in the redness and inflammation in the skin.